let's understand the very important features of this 3D, like lofted, loft boss, and swept cut. So let's understand these 4 features. And first of all, we have to design something. Okay, so while we create the lofted, let's first create the plane. How many plane do you want? You can create from here. So, okay, just for example, I have taken 3 plane, and the first plane, right click, sketch. I am going to sketch done. Again take second plane, sketch. Third plane, we can select from here also. So I have sketched 3 different sketches with 3 different planes. Now I will use the loft. What is loft? Loft is actually to create any model, any 3D model by using 2 or more profiles. So here is the loft. So actually this, it was selected already, that's why it is here is selected, but I am going to clear the section. Again I want to select from the beginning. So this is my first sketch, this is second sketch. You will see I have just selected 2 sketches and it is automatically created the final features by using 2 sketch. Again I want to select this one. So by using this I have created the loft. So this is what actually the loft. It is the very beautiful and important features. And you know about guide curves. Okay, so by using guide curves I can change the direction. By using curve I can give the guide of this 3D model. So we will understand this one later. First understand this one. Here is the option, like you can change this from 1, 2, 3. So actually I have to create from the bottom or from the up. That's why it is showing wrong. So let's try to clear, and then even we can select this one, and then second one and third one. So it is a way to create the loft. Clear. Once we select this one and second this one, and try to select this one, because first I have select the middle one and then top one, and try to select the last one, bottom one. So it will not create, because the line is creating the intersection and it is impossible to create the loft. So we have to see that I have to select from the bottom or from the top in the systematic way. Just delete it and select again, and you will see here is the green button here. By using this we can change the design also. See, it will be a twist. Once we select this one, see the model is twisted almost like this. And once we click yes, see. So this is actually, I'm just control, select the plane 1, 2, 3, right click, and here is the hide option. Just click the hide. So I have hided the plane, and this is the lofted one. So you will see here is the twisted one. Right click, edit feature, and again if you want to make the straight, so just try to create selection, because it was so complex, and select again. See, So the green, this is the green button and it is on the way on the straight line. That's why it is created very good loft straight ways. So in this way we can create the loft. And here is the option like extract constraint. We can change the direction vector and normal to profile. Once we understand the direction vector, so we have to give the direction. Okay, if there is any model, so we can give the direction here. So here is asking like direction vector. If there will be any vector, any sketch, so by using that sketch we can create direction vector. Second one is normal profile. So in normal profile I can give some angle. By using this angle the model will be twist. And here is the option like extract tangent length. So see, you can see here it is changing here. By using this we can change the model. Okay, you can see here. So in this way we can change the model design also by using this apply to all. And here's the option again in constraint. In constraint means like I have selected this one is the first constraint and the last one top one is in the constraint. Again normal to profile, so this one the end. By using this arrow we can also change. See, I have almost I have changed this one. So this is the way to change. And here is the option like center line parameters. By using center line we can create the different design here. Now this is the merge tangent faces, close loft. Yeah, we can by using this we can select loft, close or open. Okay, merge result and micro tolerance. If you want to create the micro tolerance we can create here. So this is some external options are there. By using this we can just modify the lofted. Just click yes, and finally I have this lofted. I'm going to select the right plane and try to create one spline line. Yeah. Escape. And if we click this one, this point and this circle and try to pierce, so here it is the point and automatically it will pierce from here. But you will see the guide curve should be straight like from this side. So this guide curve should be pierced this side and then this side, so it should be same side. So how can we create them? And in this circle it's not intersections. Okay, so just go back, Control plus Z like undo. I'm going to do undo, Control plus Z, and I will cut this guard changes and exit, so it will not change. And just go to the circle point like this is the circle and edit sketch. Now I have to create the point like this intersection point in circle also. How can we create? Just go to the polygon and try to create and try to attach like this. See, this line and this line should be like this. I'm attaching, it will automatically connect this relation. Okay, just click this and here you will see I will keep this polygon as a construction. So I have created a construction, click yes and done. See, the circle is created with this intersection. You will see here is a 6 intersections is created. Now I am again going back to the guide curve and trying to connect with this line, okay, in this way. So click this line and click the circle, okay, and try to pierce. Once we just click the pierce, it will automatically take in this way, in this straight way, okay. And by using this we can change this guide curve. Now just done it. So I have created a suitable guide curve. Now just go to the lofted boss and click this. Even we can select from here also, like just click from the bottom. So this one, and then circle, and then this automatically will create. But this time I want to create a loft by using guide curve. Just click the guide curve box and click this line. See, it will automatically create the guide curve. By using guide curve, lofted is created. See, my guide curve is like this and loft is created. Follow this guide curve. So this is the way to create by using guide curve. And here are some options, just already we have seen, like normal, and we can give some degree, and then it will create, you know. Here is the red color, see. So by using this we can change, okay. Normal to profile, this is normal to vector is not there, so even we can change then by using normal to profile. Done. So it is created by using guide curve. And this is the guide curve, edit sketch. If we change the guide curve, our design will automatically change, you know. See, once we change the guide curve, the design, the loft will also change. See, so in this way we can use the lofted boss, okay. Now just opposite to this, here you will see the lofted cut, okay. So it will help to cut. So how to use this one? So I want to delete this all things, and here is some sketch, and in the last one some sketch like, okay, done. Now I have two sketch. Okay, this one and this one. Now I will go to the lofted cut, and it will ask the sketch profiles. So first I will select this one, second one, this one. So I have selected, automatically it will cut. Just click done, and see, by using lofted cut I have just, you know, cut the solid model by using loft. Here we can change the profile. What kind of profile you want to change, you can, you know, change from here. See, here in this way also you can change it. You can change according to this profile. Finally done, and you can see here it is finally. See, so this is loft tool is very important to create the lofted cut and lofted boss according to your wish, what kind of loft. And even we can use guided curve like this, and then in this way it will easy to cut. Now I want to use swept boss, and this is sketch. I want to make it small, done. And normal to this, normal to this I want to create. I have one profile and one line. So once we use the swept boss, here he will ask, one is profile and second one is path. So here I will give the profile, this is my profile, and here it is my path, this is my path. Okay, and once we click yes, it will show the rebuild errors. The problem is the sweep could not be completed because it intercepts itself. So here are some problem, that's why it is not creating. So the problem is on the profile in this path. So let's try to sort out this problem. Before that, I want to discuss about circular profile. If you don't have any sketch, okay, this is my sketch. If you don't have any sketch, you have only path, so just click the circular profile. Okay, so by using this path, automatically it will create the circular profile, and finally it will create the swept. See, this is the way to create the swept. Okay, so just click this and delete it. And the problem is on path, because here I have given this sketch, and when it will try to sweep, so here is automatically, see, problem will be here. Okay, automatically it will be intercept. So try to make a straight more, so that there will be no any problem anymore. I think it would be good. Done. And again, now I want to use the swept bus. Same, this is my sketch and this is my path. See, now it is created. So remember, if you use loft boss or swept boss or cut, try to create the path suitable for this. Okay, it should not be intersect, it must be paired with line, with suitable line and connect, otherwise it will show always error. So this is the way to create. Here is also you have given guide curve. Okay, if you have guide curve, some curve, so by using curve you can create the swept. Options are there. Some options you can see, keep normal to constant, and here you can see some options. See, this is the follow path and this is the keep normal. It is the normal to the constant. Twist value we can give. Here you can see some changing. So we can use the twisted, 180. See, it is twisted like this. If you want to keep more twisting, so it will be twist 90 degree, 360 degree, merge tangent face. Here is the thin features is there. We can create the thin features, and where it may show, see, thin features like then it is twisted. So whatever we can create the sweep. So this is the application of sweep. Here is the thin feature in one direction, both direction and two direction we can give. Even we can control by using this thickness also. Okay, we cannot give thickness more than the features rectangle dia. Okay, his option again, mesh preview. If you want to do, see the mesh, zebra strip, curvature comb. Okay, so this is some additional advanced views are there, options are there. Thin is very important, and direction by using, if you want to make twist or something, specify direction vector, so it will ask that vector direction, according to dash direction vector it will create, it will twist this tangent to this, it will show the problem because the could not find a matching face, or perhaps because of a changing of topology. So according to some, the line and profile is must be suitable for using the swept. Okay, so then only it will create. And circular profile, when it's used, it will automatically create the circular pipe, because I have used the thin feature. Okay, so okay, so this is the what I have used sweep thin. Okay, now I want to use the swept cut. How to use swept cut? It is same as swept boss and swept cut. Let's try to understand the swept cut. Confident. Okay, if we try to connect the coincidence, and now done. Now let's use the swept cut. Click this. It's asking the profile. This is my profile and this is the path. Okay, so here you can see this profile, and by using this path, finally you will see the cut here. You can see the extrude cut. Click the section view, change the plane, and you will see here the swept cut. So by using swept cut, we can use easy to cut a model, something as your wish. You can do it. So it was in a swept bus and swept cut, lofted bus and lofted cut. In this video we have explained these 4 things. Now I want to explain. Control Z to undo. Here you can see I want to give the dimension. Actually just want to delete this, and I want to give the dimension of this. This is 100, enter. This is 50, enter. Done. Okay, now I want to use the move. Here you can see some features are there. In these features you can see a scale. So by using a scale, just select this one and click how many scale you want to. It means to large this size. Okay, to make this body the large size, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, how many times you want, you can just make it. See, like just go to the evaluate, measure it. Like this length is 200 mm. Okay, actually I have created the 100 mm, but I have scaled into 2 times, so it is double 200 mm. In this way I can scale. Scale, it means to make into how many times you want to make the models. Okay, double or triple, 3 times, 4 times, and how many times you can scale it. it was 2 times. I want to create 6 times. Okay, now it is created the 6 times. Just go to the measure and try to just click this line. It is 600 mm. It means 100 into 6, 600. 6 times it is scaled it. This is the way to create the scale and some important features. That's it.